Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your drama reels or your free reels password. And for that, just open it. It used to be a free reel and now it is named as, it used to be a free reels app, but now it's a name changed to drama reels. Just open it and then and it will ask for some permission. Allow it or don't allow, it's up to you guys. And then you need to go on your setting button and sign out and tap on sign out button. And let me tell you, there is no, I'll show you guys. Tap on, there is no place to enter your email. There is no place to enter your user ID or your password. That means it doesn't have any kind of password, so you cannot reset it. So how you can log in back is tap on your any of these button and tap on continue and select your account like this, and that is how you can sign in without your tap on continue login button. And that is how you can log into your drama reels app without any password. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.